Okay, we will start in 1 hour. No applause. In 10 minutes, we'll start. Again, we are reminding everyone to always wear your mask. And for those who have availed of the VIP tickets, if you're still around the vicinity, please enter the public plaza now. We will start in 10 minutes. Maria Aspe Francisco.
To our guests, sa aming kaupod sa museo, viewers on our Facebook Live, our Mayor, Honorable Mayor Lawrence Anthony Goriseta, and to our 18 lovely ladies, Mayat Ayad Yagabii Pabianhon. In behalf of Vice Mayor Edsel Vigo Henoche, allow me to greet all Pabianhons an advanced happy fiesta and a happy Carabao Carosa Festival celebration. Today, we are celebrating the golden year or the 50th Carabao Carosa Festival, which started in 1973. And as time has evolved, it has become grander and grander. Nagawa ninyo kung ano kanami ang aton Carabao Carosa Festival. Research, my salute to the organizers. Likewise, I am congratulating the Executive Working Committee of the Carabao Carosa Festival, headed by the newly installed Tourism Officer, Mr. Dexter G. Dixon, municipal officials, department heads, and employees of the municipal government of Maria for making this year ipadayon ang kauswagan sa pamilya. Welcome to the 50th Carabao Carosa Festival Pincers. Sa iwat, mayad ayad nga gabii kaninyo nga tanan. Aron na pa, pamilya!
Honorable S.C. Maria Aspe Francisco. He is also known to dress up beauty queens, including our very own Ravia Mateo, who made headlines when she wore the infamous piece Pinay and our next judge, graduated at West Visayas State University for Bachelor of Hotel Restaurant Management, magna cum laude. Currently, he is the He is also the president of Fiesta, Favorite Souvenirs, with branches all over the Philippines. He is married to former Miss Iloilo Dinaga, Rhea Inocencio Peña Florida. Let's all welcome Attorney Jobert Peña Florida. And has been featured in the cover of various local and international magazines. But it's mostly known for walking the runway, showcasing the designs of prominent designers such as Bo Parcon, Ino Soto, Rahul Aurel, around the Philippines while engaging in entrepreneurial endeavors, focusing mainly on her personal brand, Reverie. Ladies and gentlemen, Iloilo's very own supermodel, Miss Rhea Boulevard.
Past recent years of the Carabao Caraza Festival theme search proved to be a perfect outreach. 5 decades of Iloilo Province's oldest and most consistent festival. As our times have changed and evolved, so is the relevance of our queen for the Carabao Caraza Festival. She should inspire, be a voice, resilient, strong, tough, and she should reign. For her to be most worthy of the crown. Who will be our golden girl? Who will be our treasure? Sino ang ating maging bulaw? I am successful. I am indestructible. Go. Because I am gold. I am gold.
Will Queen Surge. And in its golden year, we pay tribute to the first ever beauty pageant in the Philippines, the Manila Carnival Queen in a carnival themed pageant and coronation night. one, Carabao Sabasa Festival King, Ariel Testing of Classic Ice Master.
Javier and Catalba Timor, the Golden Girl of Amparo. Sabare, the Golden Girl of Ibawan. The Golden Girl of Maniao. Habilosa Huyapan, the Golden Girl of Pasaran. Followers. The Golden Girl of Kanda. The Golden Girl of Fortuna. William Marie Cabrera Curillas, the Golden Girl of Puro Dog. The Golden Girl of Puro Fair. The Golden Girl of Puro Cuatro. The Golden Girl of Tigo. Crystal J. Tabakira Rebegonia, the Golden Girl of Unkauno. Gato.
Eagles and the Regents Premier Events host and your former GMA TSX host, Mr. Ray Jason Gregorio and Miss Kate Chavez. Mayong gabi, Paglia!
Mahayong gabi sa inyo tanan.
Mga sinatyahon, yung TTF Carabao Carosa Festival kag partner at advance happy fiesta sa inyo tanan. Okay.
What a great feeling, Jason.
for 50th Carabao Carosa Festival, research, and of course, palapakan na nato, nangabot ko pa na partner, whom I miss so much, kag sexy na gid, kag stupid na sa Pavia, partner Jay Chavez.
Partner Jason, thank you very much. If I may just share to everybody that Jason and I have been partners for a long time already. And we have been working from
The first corporate award is Miss Colgate. Okay, and our Miss Colgate is Miss Funka Dos.
congratulations, Miss Coca-Cola, our Miss Colgate. The next corporate award is Miss Palmolive. Miss Palmolive! Is Miss Pagsalan.
And receive a gift back from Colgate Palmolive Philippines. We will request the representatives from Bonding Marketing to award the winner. Miss Mariao.
Is Miss Novelino Strawberry Passion. And she is Miss Agana.
Miss Poro Cuatro. Here are our 18 candidates dancing the 5 dance steps representing the movements of the Carabao. Pasungay, Parado, Patubog, Paharap, and Palumba.
With Suburban 5001 and the newly rich and digitally remastered Carabao Carosa Festival song in their summerwear competition. Let's all watch this.
Caravan 5001.
And special thank you very much.
His nice friendship, and were voted by the candidates themselves just yesterday. And by the way, partner,
Yes.
our Miss Friendship is no other than Miss Purong Uno.
Alright, there she is. The friendliest of them all.
When you're down and Purong and you need a helping hand.
Photogenic was carefully chosen by you, the viewers online. Who do you think is our Miss Photogenic? Because we've already seen the photos. Jason and I myself have been looking back and forth.
Yes, Uka Uno. Congratulations.
Miss Okapuna, look at that beautiful face.
Yes, the most photogenic of them.
Joined by new Gonzaga himself of Valur Imagery.
I'm here to do of Valur Imagery.
Right, so Miss
I
Photogenic,
think we are also to
reveal the face right here on our big screen. Who do you think is our Miss
Who's your
Photogenic? Alright, siguro the best people to answer that are the ones watching us right now online. So among the groups,
Miss Photogenic.
and our Miss Photogenic is Miss Uka Dos. Alright, so here's the challenge now to our viewers on
About this nice celebration of the About Festival, no? We had our live About Festival race, and now we have our search. So let's have a sneak peek more about Kapitan Sahaba for all those who are not able to view it. So everyone, sit back, relax, and enjoy a sneak peek from the
Hardwood.
and to immortalize the symbol of the Karosa as a blessing. Here are songs about rain or ulan, another symbol of blessing, as the 18 candidates in their lovely evening gowns of their choice lights on the red.
Aku sudah kau menatap